So let me now walk you through some of these basic features. First, click on Control in the Accedo One main menu, and then click on Application Groups. Next, click on the application group name that you want to make changes to. In this case, there's only one application group. This will take you to the Profile Allocation table. In order to create a new rule, click on the plus rule button in the top right corner of the allocation table. Next, select which profile you want to use. You can now specify various conditions for your new rule. So for example, you can specify a specific location. So let's go with Australia. You can also specify specific platforms. So let's go with iOS and Android devices. And you also have the option of specifying specific application tags, calendar events, and you can whitelist. Essentially, different profiles can be served to fit the needs of different user segments through the use of these conditions. It's important to note that profiles are applied based on the rules defined in this profile allocation table. Since rules are processed from the top down, in other words, the higher the rule is in the list, the higher the precedence it has, drag and drop the new allocation rule to an appropriate location in the allocation table. The first rule to match all of its conditions will be used to determine which profile is returned. So in this case, users that are using Android and iOS devices who are located in Australia will be returned this specific profile.